Also developing tonight, police say this man ran toward the U.S. Capitol with a loaded shotgun in his hands and a tactical vest on his chest. Right down the street, they found his car with a gas mask and helmet inside. Tonight, this 18-year-old man from Georgia is in custody, but the question remains, what was he planning? As police investigate, our Victoria Sanchez with new details tonight.
A scary situation here at the U.S. Capitol. It was around noon when police say a man was seen running up the steps with a loaded shotgun. Police say 18-year-old Carter Camacho of Georgia had several rounds of ammunition and was wearing camouflage, a tactical vest, and gloves.
We had a person exit that vehicle with a shotgun and begin running towards the Capitol. This individual was challenged by United States Capitol police officers and ordered to drop the weapon, which he did comply with.
U.S. Capitol Police Chief Michael Sullivan said Camacho parked his white SUV on the west side of the building near the U.S. Botanic Garden. Inside, they found a Kevlar helmet and gas mask. As for the gun and ammunition, investigators say both were unregistered, and Camacho does not have a license. Visitors telling us they're shocked to hear what happened.
It's alarming for an 18-year-old. To make a decision like that. So they did what they were trained to do and de-escalated, hopefully the young man to get some help. But kudos to the police officers, though, because it could have very well went another way.
Chief Sullivan says Camacho was arrested in the same location where his department held an active threat exercise last summer. He says these are now routine exercises. U.S. Capitol Police are still looking into a possible motive for what happened here. At the Capitol, Victoria Sanchez, 7 News.